Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Toyota Prius dashboard. First, ensure your vehicle is off and the 12-volt battery is disconnected for safety. Gather your tools, including a trim removal kit, screwdrivers, and a socket set. This initial preparation prevents electrical issues and makes the process smoother. Always work in a well-lit area to clearly see all components and connections. Taking these precautions saves time and prevents damage. Next, you'll begin by carefully removing the various trim pieces. The stereo surround, center vent, and side vent panels often pop off with a gentle pull, as they are typically held by clips. Use a non-marring pry tool to avoid scratching surfaces. After these, tackle the plastic covers on the A-pillars, which may conceal airbags, so proceed with caution. Removing these initial panels grants access to underlying fasteners. Now, it's time to disconnect the various components. You'll need to unplug the two electrical connectors from the passenger airbag and remove the bolt securing it to the frame. Next, locate and remove the screws holding the instrument cluster in place. There are usually 3 screws. Be sure to carefully disconnect all wiring harnesses and ribbons attached to the dashboard, noting their positions for reassembly. Take your time to avoid damaging any delicate connections. Finally, remove any last screws or retainers that secure the dashboard to the vehicle's frame. Lower the steering wheel as far as it will go to create maximum clearance. With all fasteners and connections detached, you should now be able to lift the entire dashboard upwards and pull it towards you, as it's often held by several tabs. And for more great tips on managing your finances, check the description below for a link to a fantastic book and other exclusive deals. Reassembly is simply the reverse of these steps.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.